Hi everyone, so where to from here? We've just hit 600 videos on our channel and we've decided to switch things up. As many of you know, we still work full-time, and because of work commitments, we won't be able to travel very far for the next few months. So we've decided to revisit some of the towns we did when we just started our channel 3 years ago. And back then, many of you had fantastic ideas and suggestions of things and places we should see in these towns. For the upcoming trip, we want you to send in those suggestions and ideas so that we can visit those places. So how do you do this? We're going to post 3 community posts a week on YouTube, Facebook and Instagram at 3 p.m. South African time. If you know these towns and would like us to show something specific, drop a short comment with a little background story of the place or thing you'd like to see. It could be anything really. Include your name and where you're from so that we can give you a shout out in the video. Or if you know someone who knows the town or lives in the town, share the post with them. Maybe they can suggest something. Please keep the comments short and don't send us emails. We're struggling to keep up with those we receive. Because we still work full-time, our time on the road is very limited, so we'll only be able to share some of those suggestions in the places we visit. On our travels, we've seen a lot of decay and destruction in our beautiful country, South Africa. And we know it exists, but we prefer to focus on the good and the positive we find in these places. That's why we travel. Life is tough and negative enough, so let's celebrate the positives that remain. Just remember, our current series of our January 2025 trip will continue on YouTube as normal on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays at 3 p.m. South African time. Let those suggestions roll in. We're looking forward to showing you the things you'd like to see. Come explore with us.